Dog waits like a stubborn king. Chainsaw hums, it's a growling thing. Lines to carve, dreams to sing. Oh man, where do I begin? Dogs at my feet, tails wagging strong. They don't judge if I get it wrong. Ash to feather, shade the beast. From the log, release the feast. Turkey wings in my mind, they soar. Sawdust flies, I'm begging for more. Drops fast like a summer rain. My arms ache, but I can't complain. The turkey's there, just wrapped in grain. Each cut is a fight, but I'll sustain. Dogs bark loud, they're my cheer squad. They don't care if I'm a bit odd. Ash to feather, shade the beast. From the log, release the feast. Turkey wings in my mind, they soar.
So now we're going to paint.
I'm begging for more.